Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a festival makeup look. I've been really wanting to try a really cool out there festival makeup look, just in case I go to one of those. So if you're interested in really fun and bright, probably green makeup, then please keep on watching and subscribe. Getting started, I actually have base makeup on and of course I have blush, as you can tell. It's partially blush blindness, I would say. But I focused the blush on the apples of my cheeks today because I want to do something else on the high points of my cheeks today. So getting started, we're moving right onto the eyes. So bringing you in closer. So the base of today's eye look is going to be this eye paint from NYX. This is the Ultimate Eye Paint. The shade is Exist Fabulously. And I've been using this before and basically I want to finish it. So I'm going to use it for today's look. And this is going to be basically our eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna pick this one up and put it basically all over the lid and even bringing it out basically on the brow bone and at the side of the eye. And I'm not being really precise today, so we're just going wherever it's going basically. Also underneath the eyes. And just building up the pigment basically. Especially on the lid area. And I'm just blending out the edges basically. Okay, so this is the eye base, already quite crazy, but I love it. Then I'm going into a little bit of eyeshadow with this Revolution palette. This is the Mini Avocado. I'm putting that shade on the center of the lid, basically, just on my finger. To create like a shine base. And now the fun part will be glitter. And I'm going to put these two glitters all over the lid and basically everywhere. Focusing this lighter glitter on the lid and then the darker one everywhere else basically. Just on my finger. Perfect. Just what I wanted. Probably a little bit more, because why not? And of course, if it's going everywhere, basically that's the point. So we're kind of bringing it down to the lower parts as well. Okay, and kind of like an inner corner highlight, I'm going into this silver glitter. Just in the middle there. Yeah. And then everywhere else, I'm going into the darker glitter. And then for the other parts, I'm gonna mix in the silver and the lighter green. Just to have glitter everywhere basically. Look at that, how gorgeous. I love the look of glitter actually. And basically, this would be the eye makeup. But of course, I'm gonna add a liner to this. You can add lashes, I'm just not gonna play around with them because I wanna play around with glitter a little bit more. So for the lashes, I'm actually going into this eyeliner, liquid liner from L'Oreal. And mascara. MAC in Extreme Dimension. And now a little more glitter. I'm gonna put glitter on the cheeks as a highlighter. And I'm basically gonna use the silver with a tiny bit of the green actually. So the silver is going to be the base. As if it's coming down from the eyes, basically blending the two in. And just blending it out a little bit. And then a tiny bit of the green one just in the center. Like this. And I feel like putting a little bit more, so I'm gonna put a little bit more here. Yeah, perfect. Just blending the whole thing in. Glitter queen look. And now since it's all about the eye and the glitter, I basically want to do a really, really simple lip. I'm gonna use Cold Brew from NYX as a lip liner. And then this matte 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 lip from Essence, which is this nude actually. And then because I love it, just a little bit of a lip gloss. This is Coral Sparkle from Catrice. And there you go. This is the look. Okay guys, so this is my festival look. But to amp up the look a tiny little bit, I'm actually going to do a little bit of a hair stuff, which means I'm gonna get two front pieces, like so, for my fringe. And I wanna use the pink mascara on it that I have. So this is the Intense color from MUA, the pink one. And basically I'm just gonna put this in my hair. Probably putting in a little more because I want it to stand out. Yeah, I love it. And then also a little bit of body makeup in a minute. Zoom you out for this. So I have a shimmery body oil from Balea. And then I'm basically gonna blend this all over my cleavage. with a brush. Let me see what I'm doing. And it's also bronzing and shimmering and all of those beautiful things that's going to make your skin pretty. Basically like a skin highlighter. Basically a body highlight. Putting this all over the neck. And then just blending it where it counts. It's gorgeous when it's done. And then just working off the edges. I mean, look at the difference. Because I don't ever tan, I basically just burn, but now it's gonna be cute. So now we are done. So this is the body highlight. Look how pretty that is. Body bronzy highlight, which I love. Okay guys, so this is my festival look with a pink fringe, the glittery makeup, and of course the body bronze. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you will try it. And then until the next fun makeup tutorial. Bye bye.